this fear is to control their agenda. And the agenda now is, for me, much clearer than before, is that the private sector, with Bill and Melinda Gates and Gavi, had an agenda since a long time. He was already in UNICEF. But it is to get an injection into the body of people. So that was 2020, fear, wrong statistics, too many deaths, too many this, you need treatment, you need this, go into emergency, closing the doors of the health system. So everybody comes in the emergency door. I did study. And then there's panic and people think, oh my God, can't you see that there are so many deaths? And no, I can't see it. Go into emergency, there's nobody. So this 2020 was to create fear. 2021, right away in January, they implemented this injection. There's no research on animals. There's no research on is the symptoms really COVID, because PCR didn't work. But it was really clearly 2021 injection. And when you see what was in the injection, you understand the second agenda. So it is fear, put people in a sick mode. They don't even know what is health. Number 2, the injection. And number 3, total control on the population by the agenda of technology, QR code, and genome editing, digitalization, because I saw in WHO they were producing documents they never produced. Genome editing in 2021, digitalization at high rate. And now they have produced since 6 months artificial intelligence for mental health. Artificial intelligence, and they have nominated ambassador, the first robot, Nadia. Nadia is the first robot ambassadors for mental health and for health. Welcome to the AI world. So there is first depopulation, because Bill Gates had the Bill and Melinda Gates for depopulation as a first name. His father was eugenic. He wanted that. He's been brought up with eugenics and with technology. So first depopulation. So how to depopulate, to create something that kills people. Depopulation, we know now that his agenda was to get to, I don't know, 1 billion people or something. Second is take total control of people, their life, what they do. And that's through all this GAFAM and through the monitoring of data privacy through Facebook. A lot of breaches have been reached of data privacy. They can know what you do, when you sleep, with your app, everything. And they will never say that they know all about you. With Alexa, it's spying. That we know now that, even what we say now is spying. So total control on people. And now the worst agenda is the third one. It is transhumanism. And I'm very serious with this. I didn't believe it at the beginning. I said, it's a bit far, but no, it's really, because when you see what is the content of this injection and the vials, since 2021, I have opened my mind like we do in WHO to find the causality of the deaths from the vax. And you have to work now with engineers, with chemicals, with much more with electricians to understand that in the vial, there is nothing synthetic, nothing normal, nothing biological. And Dr. David Martin has said all the patents are synthetic. I couldn't believe it at the beginning, but now, yes, it's not a belief. It is a fact. There is no nitrogen, no phosphor. It's not biological. It is synthetic. So from then on, we need to change the words. Because if it is synthetic and not biological, we have to, that people understand. So we cannot say mRNA and spike. We have to distinguish between the impulse and signal of a spike and of an mRNA and the synthetic print in your body of something synthetic that would cause a chain effect. And this is very important because everybody, those who are pro-vax and pro-pandemic keep on saying mRNA spike. But if everything is synthetic, we are bioelectromagnetic with prayer and with energy. And we have electroencephalogram for, electrocardiogram. It's already there. We have scanners that are magnetic scanners. They don't say it. So now, if we're bioelectric, everything from our phone to our computer has an interaction with us because it is bioelectric. The computer, and that's why Bill Gates is so handy with his team. He knows everything about computer. He knows how to put a virus in the computer. And as we are electric, he can put a virus biocoded synthetically into our body and give the signal to our body that we are sick. And this is how they do with people in the street. I don't know if you've seen in everywhere now, they have those big panels sending signals, electric signal, and people have headaches. And you can put everybody to sleep with this. It's it's microwave radiation, it is different radiation. So we are there now. It is already there. And that's why they're putting up all the 5Gs that are not 5Gs everywhere in the world. It's beyond 5G, it's 6, 7, and it is microwave radiation. And in the street, all the lamps are not really lamps. They are LED, but actually they are, that's what Mark Steele says and has demonstrated with many. They are with ARPA very advanced, and they want to hack, I cannot say another word, they want to hack our bioelectric system.